Well, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a Functionality Pro video for Vizio M3D550KDE, I believe was the model. I'm gonna put it up properly in the title of description, which was sent to a customer. Well, probably the technician who opened the board put that on the tuner, probably not the customer, but it's good enough for the sake of identifying the board. Behind it is our original board. There's a piece of paper separating the two so that this one doesn't short when we test it. The board was sent to here with a complaint that the image was black and white, and indeed it was. There's another TV here which makes it a little harder to make a video, but this is the result after our repair. This is our standard MP3 player that can be seen in many other videos of ours, hanging on the side, feeding through the HDMI port. And that is it. This was an unusual case where black and white image was caused by a defective EEPROM. So what we did was replace the EEPROM and just fixed it. We sell those EEPROMs. We offer also repair service for the board. This is, I don't know, I don't remember. We've repaired quite a few boards. This may be the second or third time in 15 years where I can see something like that happening. I have seen HDMI ports not working because of an EEPROM, maybe once or twice. It's fairly unusual. So if you have black and white, it doesn't necessarily mean that that's what it is, but it was in this case, if you believe me, of course. That is all. The board is ready. We'll be shipping it back to the customer. Thank you.